Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable Hypervisor Platform on Windows 11. Go to the Run command and search for Optional Features. This command will open Windows Features dialog box where you can find all the optional features. Here is the list of optional features on the Windows 11. Scroll down and locate Hypervisor Platform. Click on the checkbox next to it and then click OK. Now Windows will search for required files and apply the necessary changes. Finally, click Restart to restart your PC. And that's it. Hypervisor Platform is now enabled on your Windows 11.